because he never made an opinion or criticism which is not justifiable. He always believed a musician had to be perfect on stage. So, a musician cannot take liberties. So, when musicians, like some musicians who did not care about the enunciation and the akara, na, 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 they didn't like that. That akaram is God. Karo aksharanam. When God says, I am akara, then how can you neglect the production of akara?
Wow.
So, like that, taking liberties with sahityam, taking liberties with talam. Also, no casual putting of talam. It didn't allow. It didn't like. So all those things. Why is it said that you have to put talam? Should put talam on not on your left hand, on your right hand. I cannot put talam above your head. So all these things are logical norms. And he never went to school or whatever. All this he learned by experience, by his father's teaching.
Imbibing it all in.
And not shaking the head while phonation. Head will not shake. Only the jaw, lower jaw will shake. And then if he shakes his head, there is a meaning to it. Emphasis, dynamics and all that. Then eye also will be there. Head will also be there. The body, language will be there. See, you will make it meaningful. Na, 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 na. See, all these things. What I am doing is something special. So watch out. Drawing attention and keeping it and all that. Whole thing, it was like, what can I say, a display window.
Right.
After the Tanyavardhan, all the, what you call, the normal procedures are finished, then the remaining part is all slogam, viritam, and all those things, devotionals, and then he becomes really a bhakta, 100% bhakta. But still, he will be worried about the perfection. No taking liberties in that. Twice singing everything twice, allowing one artham to avartham for the percussionist, and all that, Normal norms which people do not observe, from the Varnam to Mangalam, that this he was always very meticulous, absolutely meticulous in observing.
So do you think through the process of his life, you saw him become from a musician to a yogi, like you described just now, another yogi towards the end?
Yes, 100%. 100%. That's what you want us also to become. I have seen about 70-80% of myself, I have become like that, almost. Spend more time on the devotional aspect of music and lingering on the sahitya, lingering on the raga, beauty, all those things. See, it's good luck, my good fortune that I met him. I met him when he was 7 years old.
Okay.
I accompanied him when I was 8, first concert.
You were 8?
Yes. So, a pretty long association, but it was interrupted by till I came to Chennai. I came to Chennai in 1951. So from then till he passed away in 1974, my association. But for 6-7 years he didn't sing. He lost his voice. But I met every day, whenever I was free, I'll go and spend time with him. I came to know that he accepted me as his disciple long before I came to know that he had earmarked me as his disciple.
Right.
Said something in your eyes
Mm.
which I liked.
Mm.
So admiration, whatever it is, love, affection, maybe whatever. So I never took him for granted. So he was very volatile, changing and all that. But I knew I could influence him by talking to the good side of him, mind, wait for it and speak, all that, no. And like all the great masters of that time, they didn't like to be sidelined, sidestepped,
Yeah.
So they will keep aloof. When such a situation comes, they'll keep aloof. So, self-belief, that he taught me that, self-belief. Even you don't have any concerts, don't have anything, your music is there. And
Yeah.
your God, our God, will provide you whatever you need. And I am here for you. As long as I am alive, I am here. What else you need? See? It's a kind of what you call total insurance.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember you saying once, Guruji, that in your mind, he's still always alive and always with you.
Now, yes, I feel him here.
Yeah.
So I cannot say more than what I would be able to say when he's there. No, there's only that limit I can take when I speak to you.
Mm. Mm. Who
Scared that
was
he shouted. Scared that he'll shout at Venda, Udinam Pesarayan.